What's up everyone? Hope you are having an awesome week. Today I am coming to you to show you how to make this bad boy. Now what is this, you might ask? Well, it's a trivet. What's a trivet, you might ask? You put hot pans on it. And also, it's collapsible, so you can put it in your drawer. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos like this in the future. And let's get started. One of these days, man, my workspace is going to be permanent. I won't have to drag this table saw out every time I want to do a project. In the meantime, I set my table saw to 45 degrees and rip a piece of oak diagonally right down the center. The widest side of this triangle was around 2 inches. I knew I wanted my trivet to be a square made up of 4 of these pieces. So with the base being 2 inches times 4, that gave me the length that I needed to cut each piece at, 8 inches. I cut all 4 pieces using the first 8-inch piece as a template. Once I had my 4 pieces cut, I softened the edges with the sander. I then used spray adhesive to glue felt to the bottom. I made sure they were all lined up and trimmed the extra off. Now at this point I would recommend cutting your felt before gluing it on, because cutting the extra off didn't go so smoothly. And there, just in time for the pizza coming out of the oven, we have this awesome trivet for it to go on. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you like this video, please subscribe, and most importantly, share it with a friend. It helps me out a whole lot. And I'll see you next time.